In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text in PowerPoint. If you've ever wanted to add some dynamic flair to your presentations, stick around, because I'm going to guide you through the process step by step. First things first, let's open your web browser and head over to Microsoft PowerPoint. You can easily find this by searching for it in your browser's search bar and clicking on the official link to access the software. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials to gain access to your presentations. Great. Now that we're in PowerPoint, let's focus on animating our text. To begin, locate the text box that contains the text you'd like to animate. Simply click inside this box to select it. With your text box selected, direct your attention to the top of your PowerPoint window. Here, you'll find a series of tabs. Click on the one labeled Animations. This tab will give you access to all the animation tools you need for this task. Now, with the Animations tab open, you'll see an array of options before you. To explore all possible animation effects, click on the More arrow within the animation group. This will present you with a variety of effects you can choose from to bring your text to life. These effects are categorized into three main types: entrance, emphasis, and exit. Let's explore these categories a bit. Entrance animations like fade or fly in are designed to make your text appear on the slide in a visually engaging way. If you want to add some drama while the text is already on the slide, you might choose an emphasis effect like pulse or spin. These are great for capturing attention without changing the slide itself. Finally, exit animations, such as fly out or disappear, allow your text to leave the slide with style. Once you've chosen the animation that best fits your presentation, it's always a good practice to preview it. You can do this by clicking the Preview button on the far left of the Animations tab. This allows you to see exactly how your animations will play out during your presentation, and to make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything looks just right. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to animate text in PowerPoint. I hope this tutorial has given you the confidence to enhance your presentations with engaging animations. Keep experimenting with different effects to see what works best for your style. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.